Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, that is CP and Nidhi Laliwal classes. Today we'll discuss about importance of management in business perspective. So let's proceed. So managers helps in achieving the goal. How? Managers have all the information regarding every aspect of this organization from lower level to the upper level. They have all the information regarding all the resources, that is how much money is available, how much machines technology is available, how much labor is available, how much what are the needs of the customers, what are their expectations, what are the government rules and regulation, what are their policies. So managers has the authority and they have that power and that information by which they utilize every resources to achieve that common goal of the organization. They are familiar about what does their employees want from them, plus what are the responsibilities of the employees, so they can check their responsibility and authority and their results. So by this they direct all the efforts, all the resources to achieve that common goal, which is the ultimate organizational goal. So that is the importance of management. So another importance of management is optimum utilization of resources. We all know that resources are very scarce, that is we don't have unlimited number of resources, or any organization doesn't have unlimited number of resources, whether it be man, machine or material. So managers are aware of all the conditions, all the outcomes and all the goals, so they use that particular resource to their best, and if there is an alternate use of that resource, they try to use that resource in an alternative which will give more result. Suppose one organization manufactures both the pen and the pencil, so managers are aware of that what is the demand in the market, because they have that information, they deal with that information, so they can direct that resources, whether it be the machine investment, whether it be the cash investment, or whether it be the labor investment, only to that alternative which will give maximum result. So suppose in the market the demand is for mostly on the pen, so they will direct all the labors, all the machine mostly towards the production of the pen, so that they can use the maximum use of those resources. So managers helps in optimum utilization of the scarce resources. So another importance of management lies in cost reduction. This is already explained in a point number 2 only, that managers try to optimize the utilization of resources. So this will help in cost reduction also, because managers know what are the goals, they know what are their resources, whether it be the physical resource, human resource or financial resource. So they know where to direct those resources and what alternative use to make out of those resources according to the goals, according to the situations, customers, market, technology and all the other laws. So all these things help in cost reduction. So it's self-explained. So another importance is that management establishes the sound organization. Managers define the organizational hierarchy, that is, who can delegate responsibility to whom and who is accountable to whom. Like it's not like if I am a boss, then and I have the subordinates, then those subordinates are responsible or they will report to me, but there might be someone sitting on higher level on me, and then I have to report to them. So this kind of hierarchy managers create. So what benefit it gives? First, everyone knows that what is expected from them to do, because if I have delegated something to my subordinates, so they know what they have to do and they also know that whom they have to report. Because suppose करो कि अगर एक ही बंदे के दो बॉस होंगे, then it becomes very hard for that person कि वो किसका ऑर्डर पहले ले या किसका ऑर्डर बाद में ले या किसने जो काम बोला है, that is more important. So managers see those things, managers define that kind of hierarchy, just where every person know what is expected from them and to whom they have to report. So it will not create any kind of chaos in any organization, and everyone knows what they have to do and everyone knows what their responsibility plus what are their authorities. So in that way organization runs in a proper way. The next importance comes is that it established the equilibrium, that is managers are aware of outside world, that is what is going outside the organization, and they are aware of everything internal the organization, that is inside the organization. So it is easy for them to adapt the internal environment of any organization according to the external environment of the business. So in that way, they maintain a balance between the internal and external environment. It maintains the balance in the organization. Suppose if some new law come, then managers are aware of that because they have the power to gain the information. They have that resources, so they can use those resources, those power to update their internal policies, because they have to follow the government rules and regulation. So they will now amend their policies according to the new laws and conditions. So that was just an example, and there are many more to explain that managers try to bring equilibrium between both the environments. Now, another importance of management is that prosperity of society. So, management not only helps in prosperity of any organization, but in turn it helps in prosperity of society, because they create a job opportunities so that persons in the from the society can get the jobs. They increase the living standard of the society by providing jobs, and as well as by providing the quality products and services to the society. And they do donations, because you have heard that जितने भी big firms होती है, big businesses होते हैं, they do so charity work, so much charity work and so much donations. So managers are responsible for these things also. So in that way, managers not only bring prosperity to organization and to its employees, but also to the society in return. I hope you understand. So at last, if you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel and please do share it with all your friends. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.